Hello, welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna go through things you need to install before you start doing your code. Like you need to install an application in which you are gonna type your code. So now let's just go on. I have two applications that I know in current. So I'm gonna tell those two. So it's optional. You could take one or one. It depends on your coding, the type of language you are doing it. So let's just go. Now the first app is PyCharm. So we just open PyCharm, and see over here the PyCharm, the Python IED for personal development by JetBrains. So I give the link in description for this website. So now open it. And here after this slash, you can click download or click on this download icon. So if you click it, you just go to the downloads. You can just normally type in the slash download. So here you see it's for Mac and Linux and Windows. I give a separate link for everything. For Windows a separate link, Mac OS a separate link, and Linux a separate link. So mine is a Windows user, so I'm gonna download Community Windows. So I'm gonna get this message like this, and also we have a professional and community version. I'm just gonna show you. So I've already installed, so I'm canceling this download. So cancel. So here it's a professional and community. For community is used for pure Python development. And professional is used for web Python development with HTML, JS, and SQL support. So this professional version is a paid version. So you'd see free trial, but this is a free built-in open source. So these are there in PyCharm. So let us just go to VsCode. Now I'm just gonna type over here code. So I give the link in description for this also. So this also can be installed in Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. So if you use a 32-bit operating system, you can just click on this down arrow and other downloads. And here you could see you can find all the downloads. So I'll also keep the link of this also. So now see here Windows, so user installation, system installation, .zip. Types of them. So here we have different types of files in Linux, and for Mac we have .zip, and here you can see we have options. So see here, mine is a 64-bit operating system. It's a 32. See, you can click on this 32-bit. So I'm not installing this because there's one of the bad feedback on this also. So it takes a lot of memory space. Like the memory space of this is 5 GB. So that's a lot of memory space for a code editor. If you're doing Python on a Python, you can just go to the PyCharm, and any other like C, C++, you could install Visual Studio Code. And I'm gonna come up with another video about the same thing, but I'm gonna find a few more editors. So this is the 1.1 version video, so I'm just gonna create a video that's 2.0. So see, you can just click on downloads and it's gonna start downloading. So that's all for today. So these are the things that you should know before. These are the things that you would install before you start your coding. So bye, see you next time.